you do your afternoon walk? Yeah? Look at you. You're so cute. Yeah, you're in your chair! Good girl. You're so good. What are these? Oh. 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 You always tilt your head this way though. Always. We'll just do that. Yay! Mummy's very excited. Yeah, because you cried the last few times, but this time, look how happy you are. Hello. Are you okay? Are you? No, don't start crying now.
You can smile for Daddy, aren't you?
You're gonna smile for Daddy.
Evelyn. Ah, yeah.
She's looking right at the camera. Look at her.
Ah, yeah. It's your turn. Go on. Go on. Ah, yeah. Yeah.
I love her so much.
Yeah.
So my day has consisted of doing nothing. Like, I've just been watching The Office. It's just been so cold. I've wanted to go for a walk and I was just like, it's just so cold outside. I'm gonna have to go for one tomorrow because we do need to get out of the house. I'm fed up of seeing 4 walls. So I'm just like, I need to get out and just have a walk. And yeah, it's just good for your mental health as well. Shall we say happy Sunday? Happy Sunday. I literally do one day of cleaning the house or keeping on top of it, and it becomes a state. Oh, kettle for your eyes. Kettle's on so we can clean your eyes. It's a few hours later now, so obviously you've just seen me hoovering. I have literally just flash mopped, as you can see there. I've done the pots, I put the pots away, I've changed this one, I've like cleaned and I've hoovered, and I just feel so good. I was going to do it yesterday, I just didn't, to be honest, and I kind of wish that I did, but I kind of do like Sundays to be that casual like cleaning day where you go around and you're cleaning up, you're getting ready for the new week. So yeah, I've just cleaned out my Scentsy wax melts, so ready to put some fresh ones in. I've still got the lamps on, so it's just real cute and cozy, so that's fine, and they'll still be nice and warm for when I put my new wax melts in there. Ben's at work tonight. I think he's doing a 12, maybe a 13-hour shift. I'm gonna miss him so much. So he's currently napping at the moment, and I just thought I'd get the house tidy, get it ready. Has she gone to sleep? She's gone to sleep. Unbelievable. I'm getting a spot. Holy moly, getting a spot. Yeah, very quickly as well, whilst this one is asleep. So you may have known I was wearing makeup yesterday, and I was trying some of the Body Shop stuff. Now, I didn't upload on, when did I not upload? Monday? I didn't upload on Monday. So, and I did speak about the Body Shop. Now, I will probably speak about it maybe in the next clip or something. I have joined the Body Shop. I didn't really mean to, but I've joined. It's only going to be for family and friends. I'm not going to be huge with it. I don't really have the confidence to do that, to be honest. Like the way my mum is really good at doing her Scentsy stuff, I just, you know, and one of my friends who got me to do the Body Shop, she's really good at it, and I'm struggling to film and produce content and edit. So I will show you what I got, to be honest. So I bought a lot of stuff. I've got very swollen lips again. It's always this time of the year, get swollen lips. So yeah, yesterday I tried out some of their foundation and mascara, and yeah, I have seen 2 things what I want for my birthday. It's my birthday coming up soon. Holy moly, it's my birthday coming up soon. So yeah, I want something from there. The quality is not the best, is it? It's not the best. Excuse the washing. The washing needs to go upstairs. So I thought I'd very, very quickly show you, which I tried to do last week, but obviously we all know, I've already spoke about it, that I deleted the footage. I just wasn't happy with the amount of content I had. So I just thought, what was the point? I just thought, what was the point? But anyway, I have done, obviously I have already said about Body Shop. So I'm going to show you what I've got. So obviously you get a canvas bag, which I have got. And I've got all my customer things in here. But obviously I don't want to do that. I've got some cotton wool, which is really, really, really soft actually. This is the organic cotton, obviously from the Body Shop. The reason why I just thought I'd show you is just cause, really. I just want to show you. And yeah, I'm actually really excited because I've wanted to try Body Shop things for a long time. But obviously the Body Shop coconut is nourishing nourishing body butter. Sorry, I tried this last night because I always get really bad dry skin, like cracked skin in the winter time, and it is so thick. Like it is, you have to like really, really like, it's like so, like look at that, it's so thick. Oh, it's beautiful. I really, really like it. Smells like coconuts. I'm loving this. So this is the vitamin E. This is from the vitamin V range. This is cream cleanser. Now with this, from the instructions, I am a little bit confused because normally you pop it on a cotton pad or like a reusable like pad or something. Yeah, you do it with this one. It literally says obviously it removes impurities and makeup, leaves skin soft and supple. So it says massage into skin and then remove with a cotton pad. So, or like something obviously to remove it. This is skin clearing mattifying toner. This is the tea tree one. Tea tree is like really, really good for sensitive skin. I've been doing my research on tea tree and I don't think it's good for acne prone skin, I want to say. We've got Japanese cherry blossom strawberry kiss. Like this, it's in a glass bottle, which is nice. I didn't like the scent at first, but now, and then I did. I popped it on like my arm here, let it settle for about 5 minutes, and then I really, really liked it. You know, I left it, I smelled it first and I didn't like it. I was like, what is this? This is disgusting. But actually, let it settle as you would with any perfumes and sprays, and it smells insane. Then I got this. Now they have a whole hemp range. It's really very organic. Very obviously a lot of their products are organic and vegan and things like that. But this is all vegan, organic, cruelty free. I like that about Body Shop. It's all cruelty free. And yeah, I've been using this a few times when I remember that I've got the bag downstairs because I've been wanting to show you guys. And it is amazing. To be honest, I don't really like the smell of it. I don't know, there's just something about the smell I'm not too keen about. But the formula is amazing, and yeah, it's expert care for ultra dry hands, and my hands get so bad. Oh, you can stand it up. Oh, get so bad and so cracked, especially like, I don't know why, but like along here. I don't know why, but yeah, and my knuckles as well. So I've been really, really loving that recently. Then we've got this chamomile gentle eye makeup remover. Now, when it says eye makeup, only stick to the eyes. My gosh, I thought as well, I didn't think to do this because it's actually liquid. I thought it was more like cream like this. It's a liquid form. And yeah, I actually used it to take my lipstick off the other day. You see where this is going? My lips then, like to be honest, they are very cracked at the moment because it's that time of the year. I think I've already mentioned it. This time of the year, my lips get so dry. So I keep checking to see if my mum's coming with my Sunday dinner. But yeah, this is just for eyes only. And again, they've got the whole chamomile range. So if you've got really, really like sensitive skin, this will be perfect for you. Obviously it just says suitable for sensitive skin as well. I had this on yesterday. This is kind of reminds me of like a CCBB type cream, foundation, sorry. It's got SPF 30 in it. It's got hydrating aloe vera in it, and it is the Body Shop Fresh Nude Tinted Beauty Balm, and she's gone back to sleep. She's so cute. And this is 25ml in medium fair in 02. Now that's why I was a little bit yesterday. I don't know. Truthfully, when it comes out for me, because I'm very, very fair, It was a bit like orangey. I feel like it's got like a bit of an orange undertone to it. So sorry, I just swore at you guys then. I didn't mean to. It's because this nail's like my longest. So I'm like, ooh. We have got pink grapefruit shower gel. It smells absolutely incredible. This is the Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. So yeah, like it is literally going to draw all the crap out of my skin. A load of spatulas, so I've got 20 spatulas. Can't wait. I'm going to do myself a little Sunday night face mask with this, so I'm really quite excited. This I've been using as well. Again, it's from the vitamin E range. It smells like roses. It's about all skin type. It's a moisturising cream. Again, just pop it obviously a bit on morning and night. It's now part of my skincare routine. It smells like roses. It is beautiful. It's really lightweight. And I just pop it on before, I'd say before my makeup and stuff. But I don't wear, I barely ever wear makeup. I'd like to start wearing makeup, as I said in previous videos, but it's just hard, I'm not gonna lie. The next one is the Body Shop Strawberry Softening Body Polish. Now, you can't use this on your face. Don't use it on your face. Smells literally like strawberries. It smells like strawberry shoelaces. Not shoelaces, strawberry laces, sorry. What a weirdo am I. Yeah, so it's exfoliating body wash, and it literally looks like, if you can see them, they are actually black little look, I guess seeds maybe. I've used this. This is the Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. It smells like roses. It smells really, really nice. And a little bit goes a long way. I literally sprayed it all over thinking it was like a setting spray. Oh my God, I literally just needed one, and it just, I soaked myself pretty much. I was like, oh my God, to the point where I had to get a cotton pad and pat it into my skin because I sprayed that much. So yeah, and I've also been looking at a lot of like researching a lot about like makeup and stuff like that. And a lot of makeup artists have said that makeup mists like this are a lot more better than setting sprays when you want that really nice like dewy glow. So yes. Next is the mascara what I wore yesterday. It is the Lash Hero Fibre Extension Mascara in London Jet 01. So on one side you have the fibres. If you can see that, it literally looks like cotton wool on a makeup brush, a mascara brush, sorry. And the other side is the wand, which is really nice, and it's quite thick, to be honest. I didn't really get along with this yesterday when I tried it. I might have to maybe research more into how to use this. But honestly, the fibres, because you're supposed to put the fibre on and then the mascara, the fibres was just getting in my eyes. Like, honestly, this eye yesterday, oh my God, I can't even describe it. It was just, I had something in my eye all day yesterday. It was because I used that mascara, I think, anyway. So I think I need to look more into how to use that mascara. So I wasn't very, yeah, I need to use it again. This is the Mattify Instablur Primer with vitamin E, suitable for all skin types. So it's just a primer. Again, I used this yesterday. It's super lightweight. So I might just sometimes wear this just to even out my skin on some days. Okay, next is the Drops of Youth. Now, this range is kind of like blown up. It's been all over my Instagram. Lots of, hiya, that was a quick nap. This has been going everywhere. Now, people have been putting it on the face and on the hands to try and give their hands that pop of youth. You just been a bit sicky. You just burped, didn't you? Pardon you. I really like this. I pop it on after I've done all my cleansing and my toning and things like that, and then I pop it on just before using this. I'm changing up my skincare. I feel like I'm going up in the world because Body Shop to me is quite like a higher end. You know, it's just below the really, really high end to me anyway, personally. This I really like. I was wearing this yesterday. This is a matte lip liquid. And it is in Windsor Rose 032. It's giving me that like 90s grungy look, which I really like. So whoever did this bag, I'm thankful. Thank you very much. And we've got on our last things now is makeup bits. Another mascara which I wanted to use today, but I just thought it's Sunday, I'm cleaning, I'm not bothered. So it is the Body Shop, obviously, Super Volume Mascara Super Volume. That's just what it says on the packaging. So yeah, I like the application of this. It's quirky, it's different. Look at that, how weird is that? I just find it really, I've never seen a mascara brush like that before. So I'm going to give that a whirl tomorrow. A lip and cheek stain in Deep Berry 029. So this is literally for your lips and cheeks. So again, I might give that a whirl tomorrow. Use it on my lips and my cheeks. And lastly, this is a, what do you call it? It's kind of like a blush and a highlight and a eyeshadow all in one. So this is in 02 Blush Shimmer Waves. So you can literally use that as highlight, you can use it as eyeshadow, you can use it all in one for blush, or all in one for highlight, but it's got a big shimmer. I'm not very keen on shimmery blushes. I like a bit of a matte blush, to be honest, or if they've got a tiny bit of shimmer, but this has got quite a bit in there, so I'd probably maybe use it for highlighting for my eyes only. You could maybe swirl it all or use, you know, whichever line you want to use. That is everything I have got from Body Shop recently. That just took me 17 minutes to film, holy moly. And it's now dark outside, what the hell. And yeah, my Sunday dinner for one has arrived. Look at the size of them Yorkshire puddings. I've got Kirk Zero, I've got The Office, and I'm just finishing off the feed because my mum came halfway through the feed. So, oh, I cannot wait. Oh, thanks, Dad. Absolutely love you.